The pharmacy technician program here at Texas City High School is a lot of knowledge-based information that the kids learn from a drug perspective. So learning the generic names, the drug classification, what it's used for, how it's stored, so on and so forth.
It's a good opportunity to just explore the field of medicine and experience. Just the whole experience is just a great experience, and what I like about it is that it just shows you how to deal with medicine and how to help people with their medicine.
I decided to get involved because it's a very great outlet to help people and be like of service to people that you don't know, and like just being a helpful person that I am, I like to be in that type of field.
We have multiple levels where our entry-level pharmacology class is where all that is obtained, and then we have our second year level as a senior where the kids then take all of that knowledge and put it into an on-hands perspective. What they're learning in class, they take that to their job site where they go to a real pharmacy and do their clinical rotations, and they put the big picture into perspective.
I just go to the pharmacy and I just help them with helping them fold papers, helping them with prescriptions and everything, helping them find prescriptions.
Before coming in here, I didn't really know what I wanted to do yet, but I did know I wanted to be in the medical field, and pharmacology was one of the things that got my attention.
In the medical field, regardless, you're going to deal with medicines, how to help the patients on whatever they're going through. They have to take an IV or medicine in some type of form of way in the medical field regardless.
So being able to learn new drugs and learn how they interact with the body, that's like really a big thing for me, because I really want to go into that field, and knowing these things, like it'll be an extra start in helping me.
Other students should get involved in the program because it's a good pathway to take. If they're interested in medicine, this is the path for you.